Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix this purchase was not complete in Roblox. First things first, the reason why your purchases aren't completed is caused by your unverified account. And for this video, I will show you the steps on how to do so. First, launch the Roblox application on your device. Tap then on the three dots icon to access the menu. Go to Settings. Then within Settings, just navigate to your account information. After that, just click the pencil icon to edit and verify your email address or phone number. Follow then the instructions to complete the verification process. Next step is to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, then select Payments and Subscriptions. Click then on Payment Methods. Then you want to choose credit or debit card. Then just enter your credit or debit card information and save it. After that, go back to the Roblox application, click on the Roblox icon, and select your desired amount. Beneath Roblox, just find the payment method section, then choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Then confirm your purchase by clicking Buy. Lastly, if prompted, just complete any additional verification steps for you to be able to complete your purchase in Roblox. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.